Make $100 a day with transcription jobs, which is transcription and translation job actually. So what's up guys, my name is Na and you are watching Gain Money in Trick channel. If you are new to our community, consider subscribing and turn on the bell notification. Whenever we upload new videos, you will be notified of that. We have different videos online that you can make money online with the ClickBank tutorials, Fiverr if you are doing freelancing. So we have videos for freelancing also. And if you are working with the general apps and website to make money online, so you can definitely watch our videos to make money online in that. So in today's video, that is something different, something unique. I just brought you today the video that you can just transcription jobs video is that actually you can listen to audio file and then you can write or type that and send to your client. In that case you can make money online with that. So stay with me to the end of this video. I will show you step by step how you can make money online with this and how you can sign up and how much you can earn actually with this site per day or per hour actually. So let's jump into the main website. The main website is called Bubble Types. So Bubble Type, if we come to Bubble Type, so actually Bubble Type is one of the money work at home audio transcription sites on the web. There has been a lot of talk about company with regard to what it can do for work at home freelancers like me and you and those seeking an alternative online income source. With a focus on general transcription, they provide opportunity to newbies who don't have experience in specialized fields such as legal or medical. So actually, they need those people who don't have the experience actually. So they absolutely need a new newbies. So in addition to transcription, Bubble Type also offers translation and proofreading services. So if you are good in proofreading, you can definitely apply. And if you are good in translation and English is your native language, so of course you can apply for this, and it is a wonderful source of income to generate some extra cash for that. And translation, they are paying you more money actually. So this is the main website. If you just scroll down here, so you will see different posts and different instruction and direction. For example, they say want to be a good at something specialized. So with more than 10 million minutes subscribed, baby, Bubble Tab has been a trusted industry source for more than 20 years. Means this is actually an industry or company that it is more than 20 years online in this field or this transcription and translation and proofreading uh, field. So actually, they are working, and all over the world or around the world, people are coming and making money online here with these jobs. So actually, it is based for those who that they need to work at home jobs actually. And the best part is that it's worldwide, means you can just make from any country or any country in the world if you are. So you can definitely apply for that and you can make some money from this. So I will leave you the link in the description of this video. You can simply just have that and you can just uh, read all the whole article and the whole directions, and then you can definitely apply for that. So if you come here, incredibly inexpensive audio translation, traditional translation service providers will charge you 0.15 cent to 20 cents per word. Means per word, that is actually for the client that they need to provide for that. So work out of $20 to $25 per minute in your recording after that. So actually what I saw on other website and other I research on the Google and other website. So they figure out me, for example, if I work here with transcription job, so a hour and hour, so actually in hour I can get $30 in hour. So this is something here, but I will show you in other websites too that how much they are paying. And these are all the trusted worldwide company and international companies that they are working with that. So actually these are the best companies and trusted companies that they are working with that, and these companies are sometimes giving the jobs to them, and then they are hiring freelancer for that. So if you are a freelancer or work from home, uh, dad or mom or wife or housewife or even students, so you can just apply for this and you can make a huge amount of money from that. So if you just scroll down to the very end of this website, you can see here apply for work. You can simply click apply and work here. Once you click on apply of work, you can see the page like this one, and this is the main page. Then you can scroll down here. Once you scroll down for the present time, they don't have, sorry, Bubble Time is not currently accepting new application for proofreadings. They don't have application for proofreaders actually, but they do have for translation and, for example, transcription. Okay. Once you apply for translation here, once you click here, this page will come and you will see here, for example, they said if you are in English language transcription contractor, go to this link. You can click here also if you are applying for transcription, or otherwise this page will come. Okay, you can click here to apply for transcription. If you don't, so you can just scroll down to the very end here and you will see a form. This will be a form that you need to fill it out, and you can add all your details. That will be your account. They need your first name, you can write. Then after that you can write your last name, then add your phone number, and then email address. Here you can add your city, then add your province, and the last you can add also your country. So if you come to the country, all the countries are available in the world. So if you are from any country, you can definitely just apply for that. So you can select your country. United States is there, for example. Ireland is there, India is there, okay. Pakistan is there, for example. Bangladesh is there. So any country that you want, so that will be available here. This is Bangladesh. So every country is here. It is worldwide website. You can apply for that. Once you choose the country, then you can rule apply for. And rule apply, you can simply just translator or transcription. You can see here, for example, this for translation. If you just click the link over there, you can see it for transcription also. And then choose the language, what language you need to translate, or what language you need to transcribe. Then a quick test is that the test is very simple and easy, and these are actually the samples that you need to translate or transcribe to your uh, English language, from means from English language. So these are Arabic, Chinese, French, German. So all the languages are available here, and these are the examples or the things you can just watch and read or listen, for example. So how they need the work from you. At the last you can answer here, yet answer text, paste your transcription or translation here you can add, and then indefinite contractor opportunity only, and you can choose that. At the last you can add your full name here and then click on the agree, and then click the submit application. Once you submit the application, they will review your application, and then they can send you the email for confirmation that how it's working actually. So it is the best and online website for transcription. You can just work with other website also like Transcribe Me, Scribey, or any other website online that they are presenting these types of transcription or translation or proofreading jobs. But actually, these are paying higher. For example, as I told you in the beginning, I will show you with other website. If you come to the pre-work at home guide.com, so they have reviewed bubble type review work from home transcription. They have reviewed this website, and they give all the information here that what is bubble type, how it's working, and what are the position available there, what to make money, more money with this. So actually these are all the questions that they have answered here. If you come to the payment source, how much I can expect uh, to make at bubble type. So actually they said for transcriptions, transcriptionists, they are paying 40 cents to 80 cents per audio minute means. And so this is the actual from 40 to 80, and average if you get 50 or 60 cent. Actually if you just count 50 cent uh, per minute, means if you work an hour a day, you will get $30. Okay, so that $30 per hour, actually you will do that. For proofreading they are not paying high, so it is actually 13 cent to 15 cent per audio minute. For proofreading is easy actually, so that's why they are paying less. Translators, for translator they are paying from $1, $1.50 per audio minute. So if you are good in translating, so you can definitely apply for translator here also, and because they are paying back money. And this one is only paying 40 to 80 cents per audio minute. Actually if you work a hour you will get $30. If you work 2 hour you will get $60. So that is the average, not actually the average. The average is coming something like $60 or more. That is the average. So if you just count from 50 cents, you will have $30 per hour actually. So that is the whole review for this bubble type website. I will leave you the link in the description of this video. You can definitely sign up for that. So if you like the video, please hit the like button and comment me below anything regarding how to make money online, how to get passive income, and how to work from home. If you are using any other strategy with transcription, you can definitely write in the comment section that I can understand that is it good or not for you people. So I think bubble tap is the best to and paying high to everybody who are working with as a transcription or proofreading or translator actually. So if you want more, please visit our channel for more brilliant videos on how to make money online, how to get passive income. So if you are new to our community, so please hit the subscribe button and bell notification. Whenever we upload new videos, you will be notified of that actually. So till next brand video, see you awesome with enjoyable moments.